Good morning.
Good morning. We are in Houston, Texas with our good friends Tracy and Pete Haynes, who have joined us for the Christmas period, and we are about to head out to Lafayette in Louisiana after we do a quick coffee stop.
I'm going to take the scenic route.
Take the scenic route.
There's a lot of offshore oil processing here as we near the Louisiana border.
Entering Cameron Parish. There's the Louisiana sign, the blue one.
Bienvenue in Louisiana. Arrived in Lafayette and the crew have just lumped everything upstairs, and all I've done is park the bloody truck. Winner chicken dinner. I think they've had a storm, or they're going to have a storm. Thank Christ we're near the bloody railway track. And here we are, we're upstairs. It's bigger than my house back home.
I think this bedroom's bigger.
This is Leanne. I think she's quite happy.
Lovely.
I can see my truck. My poor baby. And we've got something in here. Bloody hell. That's nice. Ooh, 4-foot bar. What do you reckon, Pete?
Bloody awesome. Right.
Big thumbs
Thumbs
up,
up.
Pete. It's been a big day. And we have seen alligators.
Driving along the edge of the road.
No, the alligators weren't. We were.
No, the alligators weren't driving,
Literally.
but we were. We're in Lafayette, doing the tourist thing, Tracy and Peter, and we're in a big cemetery. It's overcast, warm, humid, and very interesting. Still wandering around downtown Lafayette. I'm not telling any fibs, there's a big sign there just in front of the railway that keeps us awake quite a bit of the night. But anyway, it's pretty deserted here. I think the place only lights up in the evening.
On Saturday we took the Lake Mountain Swamp or Bayou tour. We went out looking for birds and alligators. Come
3,
on.
2, 1, jump. Isn't that wonderful? Back before the station.
I think it's wonderful. I'm so glad that man on the plane told you to come down.
They were probably about 4 years old.
Wow.
The reason they only grow that 1 foot is because of those 5 months out of the year that they can't eat.
We've had some fun in Lafayette with Pete and Tracy. It's only a small city, but there's plenty of food and cafe options. Please subscribe, like and share. Until next time in New Orleans, take care.